Hey Andrew, what does it mean when your car misfires?
Well, I mean, it's in the name. It misfires. So, what happens is the way your engine works is the cylinder is supposed to fire in the exact order. So, if it's off by a little bit, either ahead or behind, that's what we call misfire. And all that means is that instead of igniting at the perfect point to give your exact power, it's igniting too far off. So that could mean a decrease in power in the easiest terms, or it could mean that it's causing too much vibration because it's so bad that now you're having even bigger problems.
Hey Jesus, what does it mean when your car misfires?
A misfire. Well, a misfire is that's what it states. It's misfiring, as in, well, in an engine, it combusts, so it needs to fire in a certain order, and the engine already knows the order. However, if there is a problem in the engine, such as not changing out your spark plugs or not changing out your coil packs after along a lot of miles, that can lead to a misfire, which it does harm your engine, and you would want to get that taken care of right away.